Hey friends, hey y'all. I'm CoCoDenise if you're new here. If not, welcome, welcome, welcome. And welcome to another unboxing for Co-vember. I know I shouldn't say this, but I'm tired of doing unboxings.
What?
I actually shop too much, if that's even possible. I don't see how people shop all the time like that. Like, I am over the shopping. I've been shopping all month and I'm literally tired of unboxing things and opening packages that come. I mean, at one point I was getting packages every day. You hear me? So those, like clothes and stuff like that, I guess I'll do one video with all of that stuff. If you want me to do a haul, if you want me to do like a collective haul, just let me know, put it in the comments and I'll be happy to do that. I mean, I don't know if people really care about the other things besides purses and shoes that I purchase. But anyway, let's get into the video. It is a Coach unboxing! Yes! I actually went into the boutique and tried on this particular bag, and then they got me one from the back and they wrapped it for me. Also, I had $50 off for my birthday. They sent me like an email saying I got $50 off. So that was really, really cool. Coach! Dust bag. I always think Coach dust bags are like thin. Here she is, guys. It is the Quilted Wash Time Square Tabby. So that's the name of it. It looks lighter on screen. It's definitely darker here than it is on my camera, and I'm still trying to figure out, I don't change the settings on my camera and I feel like I look orange a little bit too. I dropped my camera, for you who don't know, so it doesn't focus like it's supposed to. It's on its last leg, but clearly I can't buy a whole new camera. I just can't do that. But anyway, here she is. This bag reminds me of that Louis Vuitton bag that Oprah gave Fantasia. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll post it here. I can't remember the name, but it's a very, very bag. It's a very, very, very distinct bag, I should say. And Oprah gave it to Fantasia, sent it to her as a gift. But let's get into the bag. So as you can see, we have the gold hardware with the tag. The leather is soft. It's soft. I can see how someone could easily scratch this bag if they're not paying attention. For me, this is not an everyday bag. This will be, I mean, it's burgundy. For me, it's not an everyday bag, so I won't be wearing it every day, but it's definitely delicate leather. Let's move into the inside. Okay, you see here you have, it says genuine Napa leather, and the D-rings are here on the leather. I know that this is another concern to a lot of people. They are trying to figure out, why did Coach put this here versus on the outside like they usually do. So I mean, we'll have to see how that goes. But I do see that they do have this leather strap. It seems like it's for reinforcements. So I'm pretty sure they, you know, Coach usually checks all the boxes. Ooh. All right, so in the inside, 2 compartments. And then you have a zip pocket at the back. It does have that Coach leather tab there. And what all the girlies love, is a back slip pocket, okay? Back slip pocket, and it is magnetic closed. Now the inside is of like a canvas, like a light canvas. So I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know. I do like that it's lighter so you can easily see everything that you drop down in your purse. It comes with 2 straps. Wait. Did they give me 2 straps? Oh, they did. It looked like it was just 1 strap. So this is a shoulder strap. And yeah, this is the shoulder strap. I absolutely love. It has a chain detail with the woven leather. Then it's adjustable here, okay? And then it is a leather strap that's also adjustable. So I definitely love when they have, I don't know, me personally, I prefer a leather strap over a full chain strap. I just find that chain straps are very uncomfortable, but they hit the mark because it's chain and then it's also leather right here around the shoulder, so it's not gonna hurt your shoulder. Okay, girls? Okay? Alrighty, and I am going to show you guys how it looks on, and I think it's a win. I don't see any nips. The stitching is absolutely impeccable. No issues, no scratches on the hardware. The zip pocket, the actual zipper does say Coach on it, so I love the detail. Let me see about these rings. If they say Coach on it, they do not. They do not say Coach. So the store that I go to, I think it's called, I'm not sure exactly what the boutique is called, but they have it there where you can put your initials on the hang tag. And so she was asking me if I wanted to go ahead and get that, but she said that once you put it on there, you can't return it. So I was like, girl, I will have to come back because I wear my purses around the house to make sure that I love them. And then if I decide to keep it, what I was saying is that the Coach boutique that I went to, they do the initials on your tags. So, you know, you may want to check that out if you do purchase a bag from a Coach boutique. I'm not sure if they all have it, but anywho, a lot of people are concerned about when you put your items in here, since it's on the flap like that, that it's going to pull. I understand because when the Nikki Baby first came out, it had the same issue. So let me show you what I mean by that. So in the beginning, the chain was just on the flap here and it was pulling. So what YSL did was they added a ring here for support to prevent it from pulling. So the support is on the ring here versus on the flap itself. So I have the revamped Nikki Baby, but if you get one of the older ones, you might want to check on that. I know this is not a YSL video, but I just wanted to show you what I mean and why a lot of people have concern over that. I feel like I liked her more in the store, but I'm gonna try her on with some outfits and see how I feel about it. It's reminding me of that puffer lambskin bag that I have with the delicate leather. But you know, looks can be deceiving. Maybe it won't scratch up that easily. It just looks like it will. Yeah, I still love the quilting on this though. I love that. It's like deflated, you know? Love, love. As always, I'm going to show you guys what fits inside and how it fits on. For reference, I am 5'6". Card holder, I'm going to put that in the back. Keys, I'm also going to put that in the back because that's just what I always do. And my lotion from Bath & Body Works, I'm going to put that in the back. Hand sanitizer always goes in the front. I got all my lippies again. Oh my goodness, 4 lippies. You see that? Let me tell y'all, I like the Kylie lip gloss better than the Fenty. For me, this Fenty Beauty Heat only lasts like 20 minutes. So I don't know if it's because I got the Heat one, but yeah, And then these two I'm using, they don't work. If you guys have any suggestions, my lips are always dry. I don't know what's going on. I have a bookmark. Oh look, I have my Disney card from when I went to Disney in September. I have a comb and my eyeglass cleaner. That will probably also go in the back. Claritin, and we have cough drop, a button, and I also have this teddy bear that DJ gave me. Oh, let's see if she fits. So she does fit. I wonder if it'll close with her in there. Yeah, it'll close. It's stuffed. It's stuffed, but I don't want to stretch it like that. So this is what I have in. This is how it would look for me. The only thing I'm missing is my phone. And for my phone, it can go in the front here. It can go in the back. Let me show y'all. Oh, 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 guys. Oh, okay, let me try again. So it will go if I stuff it down in there. I'm sure the leather will stretch over time, but I'm not gonna do that. Again, I have the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. So it looks like my phone will go there. So this is what we have. Guys, guys, I wanted to show y'all how the bag has a gangster lean. You see this? It is not standing up straight. This is straight. That is the gangster lean. And that is because of how Coach made this bag. Let me show y'all. So if you look, you'll see that this pocket in the front is bigger and this pocket in the back is smaller. Because of that, putting more there is gonna make the bag lean. So if you're adding even more stuff there, I can see how your bag will probably tip over depending on what you put in. If I take the cell phone out, oh my goodness, let me see. Let's check. If I take the cell phone out and sit her up, she's still leaning a little bit. She's still leaning a little bit. I think it will help if I put the cell phone in the back. So if I put the cell phone here, she does sit up properly. So that FYI, that's just for you guys in case, you know, that's something that you care about, you know. The other issue that I was talking about, yeah, you see how it's pulling on the ends there, here and here, when you put your stuff in here and use the strap, it's already pulling. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna have to see. Yeah, I don't know. Guys, let me know what you think about it. I feel like, yeah, see how you pull it? If it's too heavy, this is gonna pull on both sides and you're gonna have a smiley face, a dip right here.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was doing. Didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction. Convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything. Thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one. And if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it.
Guys, this completes the unboxing. I feel like I have more cons than I usually have for bags. I mean, number one, it's The leather is delicate. I knew that, which is fine, but it's just that there are other cons. So the fact that it has the gangsta lean, that is definitely a con. And depending on what you put in there, that thing is gonna go. The back pocket, my phone doesn't fit in there. I feel like that's a con. And I had one more con that I cannot think of. The gangsta lean, the delicate leather, the back of it not really fitting my phone, really. I mean, if you take your case off, then yes, it'll fit. But I have a very, very thin case. And it should not be that much work to put my phone in the back. Oh yeah, that was the other thing. That the front compartment is bigger than the back compartment. Not sure why they did that. But anyway, I don't know. Guys, let me know what you think. Is this a keeper or is this a we don't need her bag? Okay? Let me know. And if you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe for the vibes. I did that on the last video. I thought it was cute. But anywho, make sure you subscribe. Turn those notifications on. This consumer consumption is very overwhelming, and especially when I return most of the stuff I buy, it feels like, girl, what are you doing? What are you doing? You know, because I'm returning most of the stuff. So I probably really didn't need it in the first place. But I thought it was fun to go on a cool shopping spree and be able to get whatever I want. So yeah, again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.